Hi there, welcome back. Happy Sunday. Bear with me as I learn how to create an intro and an I was going to say extra to my little videos. I've actually been having a little bit of fun playing on Canva. So if you're interested, head over to canva.com. They do have a free version, and the intro that you saw and the extra that if you stick around you're going to see, I used the free version. I want to make sure that I like it before I decide whether I would purchase the premium version or not. I'm not so sure I would do the premium version simply because I don't intend to put in little pop-ups and that sort of thing. A lot of you junk journalers are very talented with what you do with your videos. It's not my forte. So I think that's probably going to be the best I can do. We'll see. I'm pretty proud of myself. Anyhow, I did a little bit of thrifting yesterday, and then today, which is actually really Saturday, but you'll be seeing it Sunday, of course. I headed up to my Kirby Church book sale. I was a little disappointed, but I also completely understand. I'll get to that. So at my thrift store yesterday, and yes, I'm still working on the ladies. I haven't gotten any further. I've actually got no work done, probably in about 2 days. I'm having a terrible time with my neck lately, and hanging my head over my desk or even at my standing desk, it's just not working for me. So I'm going to see if resting it for a little while and taking my muscle relaxants. I have a special one that I have to take by prescription. I'm going to see if giving it a bit of a rest from hanging over the desk solves it. We'll see. Anyhow, so at my thrift store, didn't find much there either, but you know, it's still fun. It's still my thing. So, paper. Found some paper in the color I like. Let's open this and see. $1.99, so I can't buy it new. You can see, this is still sealed. So somebody bought it, never even opened it. Wahoo! I love 8.5 by 11. For a lot of books, that's the perfect size when you fold it into a folio. Let's take a look here and see. Granite Bond. Oh yeah, that's a nice color. I think it's got tiny little flecks in it. I hope that's visible. They're right when they call it granite. It's got tiny little... a tiny little visual texture. It's not a feely texture. So, well, that's nice. Happy with that for $1.99. Wahoo. They had another package there of some paper. I'll never figure out what their pricing is, because the other paper was opened, not as much as this, and they wanted $2.99. And I thought, okay, well, that's the universe telling me, get this one, not that one. And I left the other one there for some other lucky person. I'm trying to find room to put it. I'm going to put it on the floor. There we go. Oh, hold on. Let me get those off. I found, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I like fun necklaces. And I found a fun necklace. So, love this. It's lots of colors. Funky, chunky, and yeah, I'm in love. I'm just in love. So let me put that back on. And it's really strange. If you've been watching me a while, you remember the little packet of tiny little gold lockets that I found once. They had another one. And there's 25 of them in there at $2.99. So, like, that's less than, well, no, that's about 10 cents each. Let me hold one up close so you can see. Because they are the most adorable little lockets ever. Like, honestly, ever. Look at that. How cute is that? I love the shade of the gold. I love that it looks, you can tell that it's kind of been brassy and tarnished. Look at, oh, come on, you. Let me see if I can get that. There. Isn't that cute? Let me open it up and I'll show you, because it really is a working locket. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. As my husband would say, I can't stand it. Let's see so you can get an idea. It's 1/2 inch. About. So, I've now got 25 more of them. You know what I'm thinking? I may do a little giveaway when we can finally, when I can boost my subscribers here over 3,000. Maybe I'll do a little locket giveaway. Try and remind me. In case I forget, because I do that a lot lately. All right. So, yeah, the little Kirby Church book sale. I think it, they have very wisely learned that for old books, old desirable books, they can get more money for it. I noticed it at the end of last year, and I definitely noticed it today. I got there and I was so excited. I saw several boxes of really old books. One was a set of Dickens, various Dickens books in a beautiful green with gold around the edge. They were really, really in bad shape, like falling apart. Some of them even had like rodent chewing on it. And I started looking through it, and one of the lovely people that works there, and they know me, came over and said, that box has to go as a set. We're selling it as a set. And I said, oh, okay. Because you know what? If it was the right price, I'd do it. Anyhow, I said, oh, how much? I got really excited. And the person said, $500. $500. And I said, well, that's too much for me. If you change your mind, please let me know. I said, because these are in really poor condition. They were old, don't get me wrong. I think they were 1880. And for a junk journaler, they were yummy. That's why I got so excited. And Dickens. I mean, I love Dickens. He might be my favorite author. Anyhow, I said, if you change your mind on the price, or if you're willing to split it up, I said, I would be very interested. Please keep me in mind. And he said, okay. He said, I don't make these decisions. I said, no, I understand. And I understand. If you can get that, that's fantastic, because it's a charity. It's going to a good cause. They're raising money for the hospice in our area. So I can't begrudge them that. Anyhow, so I did find 4 books. So I found this one. You probably can't see the rest of the word here. I didn't see it at first either. It's called the International Education Series. I love the spine. Isn't that awesome? Educational Reformers. It's from 1906. And I love it. This is my kind of book. Oh, 1904. Pardon me. No. Oh, the original one was 1890. So that's not bad. Anyhow, I love this kind of book. Somebody thoroughly enjoyed this. Wow. Beautiful. So this, I can completely see this with some metal junk on it, holding it together, maybe an eyelet on the spine and fun stuff. That's cool. So, love that. This one's pretty. I like the size. These are very common books. Please know, none of these books are rare. These ones, this kind of style cover, very common. Very, I see them all the time in my area. Very pretty spine on it. Love it. Love red, of course. In fact, I have another one similar to this that my crush gave me for my birthday a while back. I really should, maybe I should do the two of them together because they look very similar. You know, that might be something to do. I love this. To Hazel from Teacher E. Yeah, I can't make that out. Glue. I don't know. 1909. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if it was published at a different time. Sometimes, you know, if they gave their own book as a gift, the publication date can be later. Oh yeah, here we go, 1898. So it is older. Sometimes if the Sunday school teachers used to give these away for good attendance and stuff. So I'm sure they had them like on a shelf in storage, and you could use one to give as a gift, and which is why the dedication inside would be a different date than the publication. I love this one. You know I love a good red book. Look at that. Love's Old Sweet Song. Love's Old Sweet Song. Here it says, just a song at twilight when the lights are low, and a music bar. Very pretty. 1912. Oh, I didn't even open it. It's a storybook. I thought it was a book of music. Because I do have a book called Heart Songs, I think, and it's just full of music. This is a story. Okay, wow, that's not interesting. Terrible. Not very quality products used in this one. That's pretty rough looking. But you know me, that warms my heart. And it will have a nicer ending to its days, because I think that's a great title for a journal. Love's Old Sweet Song, so cute. And this one, probably my favorite one that I found. I find at the Kirby Church book sale, they do have a section of old books, so I always head there first. But also, sometimes some of them, they won't put an old book in the old section. I'm not sure why they decide the way they do, but they'll put it over, if it's biography, they'll put it in the biography section. If it's a history book, they'll put it over in history. So I do have to check all the sections. And this was in the biography section. No, autobiography section. And isn't that pretty? From My Youth Up by Margaret E. Sangster. And at first I thought it was Sanger, but it is a woman named Margaret Sangster. Apparently she was a poet. And much of her poetry was published anonymously, just for whatever it got put into or used for. Her name didn't get used. She didn't get credit for it, but they put together a book. Oh, there's Margaret right there. It's quite a hairdo, Margaret. Who am I to complain? You don't want to see my hair today, and I'm a hairstylist. Personal Reminiscences by Margaret Sangster. Illustrated. Oh, this is 1909. So I think this will make a very pretty. Okay, illustrated. I'm not. Are you seeing any yet? Did I miss one? Did it fly by? Yeah, no, I don't know what you're talking about. Unless, I guess that is the illustration. There it is. There's the illustration. Because I don't see any. boy. Oh, there's some of her poems. Growing Old. Uh-oh. I may have to read some of these. I do enjoy... Oh, there we go. See? The Children's Friend. Harper's Young People, 1887. Oh. Let's see. Is there another one? I thought I saw another one. Oh, there we go. 1890. Mary Louise Booth. That's very pretty. Those will make great... oh, there's another one. These will make great... oh, Nova Scotia. Tags and things, right? Or faux cabinet cards. I love making faux cabinet cards. Oh, jeepers. I really did flip through too quickly. Look at that. Norfolk, Virginia, 1868. Education. I was hoping it would say who it was. Oh, well. Yep, not seeing any now. So, obviously I flipped quickly through the front of the book, and there aren't any at the front. But there's 3 or 4 back there. That's nice. Anyhow, yeah, let's take another close look. Shall we? Look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? That's going to make a really, really pretty journal. I kind of wish it didn't have that little... That's definitely a sort of a bleached out stain right there. I may see if I can play with that with some of my paints. Let's see if I can color match this and at least camouflage that a bit more. Oh, I got filthy. I've been playing here in my room, and I know I shouldn't. I said I was going to try and take a break, but try and do that when you love what you're doing. All right. Well, there we go. That's it. 4 nice books. I like all of them. Love this one. Some people might look at this and go, ew, that's not pretty. No, it's not. I love quirky as much as I love pretty. Found that and found those. So thanks for joining me for my thrift and book haul today. I'm going to try really hard to do a work in progress kind of video for Monday or Tuesday. I'm going to try really hard. Like I keep saying for this whole month. It's just the preliminary work for a big nearly naked journal is actually extremely unexciting. So we'll see, and my apologies. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope that sigh wasn't too loud into my microphone. I hope you're all doing well. Take care. I hope you're getting good weather. It's starting to get sunny here. Yeah, I'm gonna get going. Bye.